Introducing the HEXATRAC Plus fastening system. It's a lightweighting solution for pre-existing drive tools. HEXATRAC Plus offers significant weight reduction while keeping tools for assembly and repair the same. It can be driven using a standard hex socket or wrench. HEXATRAC Plus bolts offer up to 35% head volume reduction compared to traditional hex flange bolts. HEXATRAC Plus has a unique drive geometry where material that is not in the load path was removed to reduce weight while optimizing the contact points in the elastic zone. When analyzed for stress, our analysis showed no significant difference between hex flange and HEXATRAC Plus fasteners. When compared with a traditional hex flange, the HEXATRAC Plus head fits better in the socket. This is due to a larger than normal standard across corners and a unique drive geometry resulting in an improved fit. Through extensive testing, production controls have been put in place to ensure head strength consistent with hex flange bolts. Reach out to CAMCAR to learn about our wide range of lightweighting solutions.